Happy and blessed sunny morning today. So this is July is my guy doing my daily regular push-ups. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Oh, 25. Sabi ni doktor hanggang 10 lang, 12 lang daw. Pero, hindi naman sumasayad yung dibdib ko. Kaya, pwede kong doblehin. Okay, bye for now. Stay happy today and every day.